we have a very easy weeknight recipe for you that Babe found.
Yay for Babe.
So what do we have tonight, Babe?
Chili beef noodles.
It's like an Asian flair
Yeah.
chili beef noodles. Very few ingredients. It's going to be super
Easy.
good.
And we're pairing it with our favorite wine company, Thin Vine Wines.
So today's episode is brought to you by our favorite wine company out of San Diego, California, Thin Vine Wines. And they are a mail order wine company. They ship directly to your house, direct to consumer, and they are wine with a purpose. Every bottle that they sell, they donate back to first responders, law enforcement, military, dispatchers, and breast cancer survivors. So,
Yes.
really, really great company. Babe and I had a chance to meet them in Las Vegas, which I'll put a link above to the Vegas vlog. That was a lot of fun.
We had a blast.
And you can go to thinvine.wine. What a cool website. No .com, no .gov, no .org. Thinvine.wine and use code CookingCop.
Or Babe.
Or you could use code CookingCop.
Just use code Babe.
Or you could use code CookingCop for an epic discount. We're in a hot competition right now.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the cab. And let's take a little taste
Yeah.
in our beautiful glasses.
Take a little taste, babe.
Here, you take a taste.
Okay.
Well, I'll take a taste.
And then we'll start cooking.
We'll cheers, and we'll start.
There we go. So we're pairing the Asian chili beef noodles
Yeah, oh, it's so good.
with some Cabernet.
Yeah, it's a very bold cab. It's excellent.
I really like this. We've had this so many times. It's so good every time.
Yeah, you just need to order it and try it for yourself.
Yeah.
We love them. It's a bold cab.
have
It's very
great
rich.
stuff.
Yeah, we've done a couple videos with their stuff and with their wine.
We love them.
And we love them.
All right, on to the cooking. Chili beef noodles. Here we
Go. Okay, this is what you're going to need for your shopping list. We're going to use any chili sauce. We are using sriracha. Soy sauce. Chinese 5-spice.
Which apparently is very easy to get.
Very easy to get. It's a normal spice. Pepper. Salt. We're using a New York, but any kind of beef will work. This is a jalapeno pepper. You can also use a red pepper. I can't find them anywhere. Garlic. And those delicious udon noodles. Don't forget the wine. So we're using a 10-ounce Choice New York, and I'm just going to cut a little bit thinner pieces. Now, this works really well if you put it in the freezer for a little bit and make it nice and cold.
And if you have a very, very, very sharp knife.
And if you have a very, very, very sharp knife like this one. Our next step is to stick this in the cast iron and cook our beef with our spices. Okay, so what we're going to do, we have our cast iron warmed up with a little bit of olive oil on medium heat. I'm going to throw the steak in. We're going to put in our salt, our pepper, and our Chinese 5-spice. Teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice. Let's get this cooked, and then we're going to separate it and take it out of the cast iron.
Well, babe, I noticed you're using our new wooden cooking utensil set that they sent us.
Yeah, it's super nice.
David and I did the guacamole video with them.
Yeah.
There's a link below.
Yeah, it's very light, very nice. I probably shouldn't be using wood in a cast iron.
But you're a rebel.
I am. I'm a rebel without a cause. Okay, so we're going to take the meat out and move to the next step. Okay, 4 cloves of garlic are going to go right in the Ninja Chopper. Okay, so I'm going to slice these very thin. And like I said, if you can find a red jalapeno, that's even prettier. But the green will do. Okay, we're going back in the cast iron with our garlic and our jalapeno. Oops. Oh my goodness. The sweet of the chili 5-spice, the pungent of the garlic, and the spice of the jalapenos is smelling really delicious. Okay, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Next, we add the meat in, and we need to incorporate everything. Turn your cast iron down to about medium-low while you do this so nothing gets burnt. Okay, so before I put the noodles in, I have to put them in warm water just to separate them, and then I'm going to take them from this pan to this pan. And we're going to incorporate everything and take a bite. Okay. Put everything over here. Got them all broken up. Alright, now we're just going to incorporate this all together. Let those noodles marinate for a minute in all of the flavors. It's looking pretty tasty. Don't mind me and my spaghetti noodle ladle.
You gotta get the perfect bite, babe.
I think this looks like a good bite. So, the smell of this is the Chinese 5-spice, which has cinnamon, anise, clove, ginger, and one other thing.
Fennel, I think.
Fennel seed, yeah. So you're thinking that you're going to get a sweet bite, right? But then when you take a bite, it's like, bam, spicy.
Not too spicy. You get the spice from the sriracha. It definitely, when you hear the word Asian chili beef noodles, that's exactly what it tastes like. Like, it has a really, really good flavor for being so simple.
And paired with this wine, oh my goodness. You guys, easy weekday meal. Make it at home. Do it for the adults. It's very yummy. Babe, come on over and try it.
All right, babe. I want to have the perfect bite, like I said. I want to get those noodles. Yeah, and some meat. That New York. This is a great dish. This is a really great dish.
It's very flavorful.
It's super flavorful. You don't taste any spice from the jalapeno. You get a little bit of spice from the sriracha. But then you got a little soy, that Chinese allspice? 5-spice. The beef is super tender. You got like that garlic coming in at the end because we did a lot of fresh garlic. So, that's a great dinner, babe.
Easy weekday meal.
You could bust that out really quick. If you want something with a lot of flavors, a little bit of spice. Out of 5 peppers, I give it a 2.5 in the spice neighborhood. But you know what will calm that spice down? This is good, a good pairing, because it's spicy, but then the cab is really bold. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys didn't know, we have a join button down below. It gives you some behind the scenes, exclusive content. And if you hit the mega join button, there's 3 different tiers. If you hit the mega join button, you get your name on the screen at the end of every video. So the people that have hit that, we're going to put their names on the screen now. Thank you guys. And everybody, we've had so many new people hit that join button, so we appreciate you all very, very much from the bottom of our hearts. Right, babe?
That's right.
Anything else to add?
Make this.
Make this.
And buy some Thin Vine wine.
Thinvine.wine. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.